one of the older sources that we have regarding the origins of the image of Our Lady of Caysasay is the work of Francisco Bencuchillo, an Augustinian friar, who made a thorough chronicle of the discovery and earliest apparition of the Our Lady of Caysasay. The title of the work is Epitome de la Historia de la Aparición de Nuestra Señora de Caysasay. Originally printed in 1754, the story of Father Bencuchillo begins with the finding of the wooden statue in 1603. Juan Maningcad is the name of the fisherman, a native of the barrio. And according to the story, in all likelihood, Maningcad cast his net into the river that used to connect Balayan Bay to Lake Bonbon, which is now Taal Lake. When Juan Maningcad got home, he called on his wife and children to unpack his catch for the day. When the children were about to unpack his sack, mabigat daw according to the story, lo and behold, they saw a small, according to Father Bencuchillo, sasandangkal wooden image of what seemed to be a holy woman. And on more than one occasion, the parish priest watched over the urna, but the image kept disappearing at will, and nobody could tell where it went. The image was found many years later, close to where it was originally fished out by Maningcad, by two women with the name of Maria Bagohin and Maria Talain. This was basically the summary of the story narrated by Father Bencuchillo, that the image kept disappearing because he wanted to return to Caysasay. And they took it as a sign that the Blessed Mother would like a chapel to be built close to where Maningcad originally fished the image in Caysasay.
Because we know that the Augustinians built churches that were of wood, coral stone, brick, adobe. And over different time periods, they had different styles. But in the time of Caysasay, they were using coral stone, which is rather unusual. We don't know too many coral stone churches at this time, in the 17th, early 18th century. So I would think that the Caysasay would be a forerunner of the bigger stone church, coral stone churches in the Philippines.
For us at the National Museum of the Philippines, we have long been interested in many sites in Batangas, especially the area of Taal Lake, Pansipit River, Old Taal, which is today San Nicolas, Taal Town, and of course the area much older that is the shrine complex of Our Lady of Caysasay. This includes the shrine itself, the balon of Santa Lucia, and the hagdan leading up to the center of Taal and to the basilica. It's a unique combination of cultural and natural sites.
The church was to serve as a perpetual shrine, so it was really built to become a shrine of the Virgin and to replace the temporary structure set up originally in 1611.
The shrine complex of Our Lady of Caysasay in Taal, Batangas is of exceptional significance because of the antiquity of the site. It is the whole purpose of the shrine was to mark the first Marian apparition documented in the Philippines.
Tayong mga Pilipino ay masintahin kay Maria. People in love with Mary. Alam niyo po, sa katisismo ng Pilipinas, Catechism for Filipino Catholics, sinasabi na isa sa mga karakter ng Pilipino, very Marian. Malapit sa puso ng Malabiring Maria. At ganoon din tayo, malapit sa ating puso ang Malabiring Maria. Kaya ito napakahalaga ang pagmamahal sa Birhen Maria, hindi lamang Batanggenyo, tayong lahat ng mga Pilipino.
Mahalaga po sa akin ang debosyon sa mahal na Birhen ng Caysasay dahil po sa isang miracle na natanggap po namin sa aming pamilya. Kaya ito na rin po ang patuloy na pananalangin namin sa mahal na ina. Simula po noong nagkaroon po kami ng isang miracle sa family.
Ito palang mahal na birhen na ito ay homegrown. Ito ay sariling amin. Kaya ito yung dahilan kung bakit kailangan na mamintuho kami at talagang lumapit sa Kanya at kilalanin kung sino ba itong mahal na birhen ng Caysasay.
Taon 2020, sumabog ang Bulkang Taal. At alam natin na hindi lamang umalis ang mga tao sa mga karatig na bayan sa may Taal, marami nagdasal.
Through our relatives and friends in Taal, we learned that talagang one of the quote-unquote casualties of that eruption is the Church of Our Lady of Caysasay, the Shrine of Our Lady of Caysasay in Taal.
We were so much affected kasi sarado ang simbahan, sarado ang damba ng dalanginan.
Nalulungkot po kami, paano po kami makakakuha ng mga benefactors para matugunan po ang pagpapagawa ng dambana.